Hi everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Vincent. I'll be taking you through a course on how to create an automated invoice or receipt in Excel 2016. Yes, moving on. This is our content for the entire course, not very lengthy. First, we would see how to style an Excel sheet. I'm sure you must have been able to use Excel. If not, just stay glued. We're going to cover some basic text input. And after that, we'll talk about calculating the totals, making our summations, and then we'll move on to generating the invoice or receipt ID, which is going to be automated. And we're going to look at how we can print and save our work using the functions and using the Visual Basic scripts. All the code you will need will be given in this course. You don't have to create any code yourself. You have everything here. And then after that, we'll move on to adding the print pattern to our Excel cell. So at the end of this course, we should be able to create this. Alright, so at the end of this course, we'll be able to create an invoice that looks like this, whereby our totals are automatically generated, our ID is automatically generated, and the tax totals over here are automatically generated. The total cost is automatically generated as well. And right here, when you make a printout, currently our invoice ID or number is at 1. When we make a printout, after clicking on the print, we'll be asked to provide the amount of print out you want to make. Note it says here it prints 2 copies by default. So when I go for print 1, I'll go for OK. It's going to print out my invoice right now for me. So I'm going to save it right here and call it work. It's supposed to be printing out from my printer, but I'm going to use the PDF so you can see how our output looks like. So I'll save, and that printout is supposed to be a 2 copies printout. So that's basically going to print out twice. In your printer, you can change that in the code. We're going to see that as we start this course. So I'm going to call this work 1. And I'm going to save that. And of course, after those 2 has been printed, our invoice will try to save a soft copy for us by default with the data name. Okay, so and the name of the sheet as well. So I'm going to just save this right here, and that has been saved. I've been notified. So this is exactly what we'll go through in this course when you enroll. And let's get it opened up. That's our saved receipt. It's trying to open up right now. Okay guys, so here's our printed receipt. You realize that the ID automatically increased to 2, and that is nice. And we printed out from Excel, and every item is intact, and our receipt is perfect. So see you as you enroll for this course, just to learn this bit. Alright guys, so that is what we're going to learn, and I believe you enjoyed that preview. Now let's get started. See you in the first video. Bye.